Most people have no idea that they could begin earning passive income like literally today, and it doesn't cost a bunch of money. It doesn't take a bunch of college degrees. It doesn't take a fancy downline. You don't have to do some multi-level marketing buy-in and go sign your friends up. Anyone can earn passive income starting right away by placing credit card machines out there. Okay, let me explain. Every business that you go into that has a point of sale like a restaurant or a little credit card terminal or even the websites that you're buying things off, somebody like you can be making passive income and making percentages off of every transaction that runs through those accounts. Okay, this is how I built my residual income empire, and it is now my job to showcase to the world that this is doable for absolutely anybody. Okay, we're looking for some sharp people that understand the life of an entrepreneur, that understand you eat what you kill, and we're going to show you how to go kill it in merchant services and place credit card machines in businesses so that one, you make a commission right now. Okay, you get paid up front. Two, you get to give away the equipment for free. Three, it makes long-term passive income. It pays you every month, okay, about 1%. Let me break that down. If you go sign up a business that's processing $100,000 a month, you make roughly 1%. You would get $1,000 in passive income. For a lot of people, that's a couple of rental properties. And instead of having to make a huge investment, you literally just go present a program that gets rid of a business owner's fees, and in return, you make about 1%. If they were running $100,000, it's about $1,000 every month in your pocket. Okay, now here's the cool part. That's just one. You can sign 10 of those. You can sign 100 of those. Like me, over 15 years, we've got thousands of those accounts, and they all keep paying month after month, year after year. So now I get to come out. This is Maine in the background, road tripping with my family for 5 weeks, and I'll go home with more money than I left with on a 5-week road trip with all the hotels, eating what we want, staying at cool places, zip lining, fun adventures, and the whole 9 yards. That's my story. What will yours be? It all starts when you unlock the time and the money freedom that will allow you to go do that. Whatever your passions are, whatever your hobbies are, you can go pursue them. But first, you've got to stop trying to avoid the hard work, and you've got to go lay the foundation by placing credit card machines out there or anything that makes passive income. I just use credit card machines because you don't have to spend a bunch of money. The machines are free. You just go work as hard as you have the work ethic to do so, and the more people that you help, you get paid passive income. It's just a really realistic vehicle. It's a really realistic industry that people that don't have millions of dollars to invest can plug into on day one and get started. By next month, you could have passive income. I'll show you how to place the credit card machines. But first, you got to go check out the explainer video, schedule a call, and then we can start from there. So I will see you on the inside. Check the description of this video. Fill the form out next to the video, however it's posted, or just go to Easy, the letters easydirectsales.com, and I will explain it to you there, and you can schedule a call for something you're into. So make some passive income and change your freaking life so you too can be out in the middle of Maine or wherever you want, enjoying your life and having the money flow in while you're doing it. Joe Wagner here. Appreciate your time. We will see you at the top.